So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is Osho's and Tarot weekly reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. I'm going to pull one card for each day from 12th till the 18th of August. You can take it as guidance, you can take it as warning, you can take it as how your day is going to be at that particular on that particular day. And I highly recommend you to watch this video each day, like on Monday, on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so you can relate with these energies and let me know afterwards how it is relating with you guys or not. Okay, and how it is going for you guys, because I found Osho's and Tarot to be the most accurate ones till now, in my experience. Okay, so yeah, let's start. This is a experiment that I'm doing on this channel. I'm going to do these readings weekly on Sunday for each day, one card for each day. Okay, again, it could be messages, guidance, or warnings, whatever you feel like in that manner. Okay, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Cancer. From 12th till the 18th of August, what are the messages or guidance or warnings for you? For 12th of August, we have the Creator. So the universe is going to help you in some way, shape, or form in coming out of a very stressful situation. Suddenly, out of the blue, you are going to get the strength or the courage, or you are going to have the power of making a very difficult decision, and you will be able to come out of that situation out of the blue. Listen to your intuition, listen to your gut, and work on your solar plexus chakra. And when you are going to be in this energy of surrendering to the divine, the creator is going to help you to move forward in a particular direction with ease, with peace. 13th of August, we have the postponement. Okay, 13th of August, you might be in this energy of not feeling very happy or not feeling very good about a particular situation. So you are going to be in this energy of let's postpone the situation. Or for some of you, if you are getting irritated or restless in a situation, for the time being, postpone that situation and move forward when you feel like your mood is correct, your energies are correct, and you can move forward in that direction with peace and with a calm and composed mind. Then only move forward in that direction. Okay, on the 13th of August. Yeah. For the 14th of August, we have the control. Don't try to control each and everything in your life because you cannot. Cancer, the more you are going to try control each and everything in your life, the more it's going to get out of control. It's a guidance for you guys for the 12th, 13th, 14th of August, that the more you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let me control my life, let me control other people behavior, let me control my own energies, let me control destiny, let me control weather. You can't do that, just release the control and keep going with the flow. Everything that you are trying to connect with, everything that you are trying to achieve in your life, it will happen, but you have to release the flow, go with the flow, and surrender to the divine. On the 15th of August, we have the ripeness. Okay, on the 15th of August, you are going to be very excited about some kind of good news. You are going to be very excited about, okay, something is coming finally, something is happening finally, something is this is a completion of a cycle. Now you will be waiting for some kind of rewards. I do see some kind of promotion, job promotion, rewards, or something coming to fruition, and it is going to give you a very happy go lucky kind of energy that this is finally happening, this is finally giving you good results. So basically, the good results of your hard work is going to be there on the 15th of August. 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, something is going to complete, something is going to come to full completion, and then it is going to be time for you to reap the rewards. Okay. On the 16th of August, we have the moment to moment. On the 16th of August, you might find yourself in this energy of, what should I do? You will be in this energy of future planning, a lot of future planning, a lot of this energy of, I should do this, I should do that. Either you will be living in the past or you will be living in the future. So the universe wants you to live in the moment to moment. Just take it how it comes. Go with the flow, enjoy your life moment to moment, one day at a time, and just go with the flow. Because even if you are going to be in this energy of thinking a lot about the past or thinking a lot about the future, it's not going to help you in any way, shape, or form. So it's better to enjoy life moment to moment, do things that really makes you happy. Okay, creative things or dancing or painting or whatever you feel like you should do in order to keep yourself busy and happy. Okay. Okay, we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, we have the master card. Okay, on 17th of August you are going to have some kind of major awakening, major realization. Either you are going to find somebody who is going to help you a lot in the next chapter of your life in some way, shape or form, or you should take guidance from somebody who can help you in moving in a particular direction, whether it's your work area, job, career area, or spiritual growth, or it is something related to something that's bothering you at this present moment. Take help from somebody who can help you, who is a master, who is like an expert in that field, in that area, so that they can guide you in the right way, in the right energies. There are very good chances on 17th of August you're going to find somebody, or you're going to get this realization that you should find somebody who can help you in moving to the next chapter of your life in some way, shape or form. Really cool. 18th of August, we have the letting go. On the 18th of August, you are going to be in this energy of letting go of people, situation, things that's not serving you anymore, and you are going to be in this energy of feeling at peace, feeling like, okay, everything is going to turn out fine in my life. So slowly but surely I'm heading towards prosperity, growth, abundance, and things that are meant for me. So you are going to make room for people, things, or situations that's actually meant for you. Okay, you are going to be in this energy of letting go of things, again, people, situations, connections, or whatever is going to be in this energy of weighing you down in any way, shape or form. Okay, so these are the energies for you for this week, Cancer. Hope this helps. Come back to this video after 18th of August, and you will be able to connect the dots and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to do that. I'm relying on you guys. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.